Hello, everybody. Today we are going to see the use of some and any. This is Miss Gladys Machado Siwas. Some and any. We use some in affirmative sentences with countables and uncountable nouns. You remember, countable nouns are those that have singular and plural. No, for example, you say apple, apples, orange, oranges, chair, chairs. Those nouns have singular and plural. Uncountable nouns are those that have only singular. They cannot be pluralized. For example, fish in singular, fish in plural. Fruit in singular, fruit in plural. Okay? They cannot be pluralized. Another use of some is with the interrogative sentences to ask or offer something using would like. For example, when you say, would you like some water? Would you like some tea? Now we are going to see the use of any. When do we use any? We use any with interrogative and negative sentences. And we use it with countables and uncountables nouns. I hope that this conceptual map is going to help you to use some and any in a very easy way. Okay? So, thank you very much. See you. Bye-bye.